So you want to know 21 ways to make money with Splinterlands? Well, keep on watching and I'll show you how. So, Splinterlands is a crypto game that's blowing up right now. It's a trading card game, and wow, there's so many ways you can make money with Splinterlands. And we've got a lot to get through, so let's get started. First of all, the fundamental of the game is to play. To play the game, you need to create an account. Now, you can actually play for free. You just need an email address and, well, put in a referral account. You could just use mine, a random chaos. And then you continue and create the account. Now, once you've created the account, it'll actually say, well, do you want to go ahead and purchase a spellbook? And you want to say yes. And by buying a spellbook, you enable the ability to earn rewards while you play. So the number one way to earn rewards in Splinterlands is just to play. So if we click on Battle, you can actually see your account here. Now you'll start off in Novice and you'll slowly work your way up. And as you can see here, this is actually me playing a game right now. This is a replay. So in the past, you used to be able to earn deck for every win. And this deck is the Dark Energy Crystal. It's the in-game currency, and this is the format here. So you basically select a team, and your team automatically battles it out. You can actually just skip the result if you want. But since recent changes, you actually have to get to Bronze 2 League to earn the deck rewards. But that's not too hard, guys. You could just play for a little while. Now, a season lasts for around about 14 to 16 days, and at the end of a season, well, this is another way you can make money on Splinterlands. So you can earn deck rewards for each win. Now you can also complete what's called a quest, and when you complete a quest you actually get a reward chest, or several depending on which ones you've done. And this one here is going to give me one loot chest. So after I complete this many battles with a sneak quest, I get a free chest, and I could actually win a card or some credits. Again, you want to get your tier up to Bronze 2 if possible, and that is going to require at least a minimum power of 1000. But that is how you earn money with playing the games. Now at the end of a season, if you've been playing really hard, you can claim a reward. So let's go and claim a rewards chest now. I got to Bronze 2 and I get 7 reward chests. And here they are, guys. So let's go and open these one by one and see what we get. So we get potions. This is pretty good. When we get packs, we can actually do something with those packs. They will give us a little boost, so that's pretty good. I get some credits. That's okay. I've got potions here, more potions, and you know, it'd be nice to have a card. There we go, guys. I got my first card. So it is pretty easy. That's just a common card, but hey guys, it is totally worth it. And that's another great way to earn money in Splinterlands, is to complete the season as high as you can and get some pending rewards. Even getting to Bronze 3, I'm going to get 5 chests at the end of the season. Now, the other way to earn money in Splinterlands is basically to get free airdrops. That's right, during the airdrop promotion, it goes for about a year, you get free airdrops. In fact, look at that, we're 98 days in here. So yeah, this goes for 365 days. It's based on your collection power. If you've got any Dark Energy Crystals, you could also have card packs in here, and Splinter Talk tokens. We'll talk about these things a little bit later. But basically you get airdrop points, and those points will then turn into SPS, and that is absolutely free for 365 days. So at the moment I'm claiming 8.6 overnight, so let's claim that now, and we should see my in-game liquid balance should go up. And there it is, guys. So basically, yeah, I'm now valued at $12.64 based on the market price for SPS. So guys, that is another great way to earn free money on Splinterlands. Now, if I want to earn a little bit more, guys, there's actually annual appreciation rate here. If you wanted to actually get some more money, this is another way. We can click on stake, and let's just stake 10 SPS. And there we go. So what we're going to see here, guys, is this counter will tick over, and eventually you can claim that anytime you like. Obviously 10 SPS is not going to do a lot. Now the other thing, guys, if you want to get that out of the staked area, you hit unstaked. It's going to take 4 weeks in total. You get a quarter each week. So that is it as well. That's another great way to earn passive income in this game. So once it ticks over, you can hit claim, and boom, it's into your account, and you can do whatever you want, including sell it on the market. So that is a great way. Now, if you've actually gone and staked your SPS, well, currently there is another voucher airdrop. This is crazy, guys. This game is crazy. They've got a pre-sale event on right now, and for another 10 or 15 days, I think, depending on how much SPS you've actually got staked, you'll get some vouchers or part of a voucher sent to your account. And then you can actually trade that on the marketplace or use that to go and buy some Chaos Legion packs. Now, these packs are actually pre-sale packs. There's a bunch of different bonuses with these guys, so this is actually another easy way to earn money, is to get it on the pre-sale and basically get a few extra bucks because you'll be getting promo cards and titles that people just won't have. So that's pretty good, getting exclusive cards. A pack costs 1 voucher, which you can earn with your staked SPS, and it costs $4, and you can either use credits, deck, or SPS to purchase them. SPS gives you a 10% discount. Now, if you buy a bunch of 10 guys, you're getting an extra 10% bonus there of 10 packs. So keep that in mind as well, and here are all the current prices you can operate with. So that's another great way to earn money on Splinterlands. So another way to earn money on Splinterlands is in the battles. Well, there's a thing called a leaderboard, and every season, people fight it out at the top for a lot of DEC. Now, 30,000 DEC is equivalent to about $300 right now. That's actually pretty decent, guys, and the prizes pay out quite a long way down. So even here, this is equal to about $20 if you can finish in the top 20. Now, this is Bronze League. You're going to basically have to play in Bronze 1 to be able to get these ratings, but, you know, I've obviously got a long way to go, guys. But you want the spellbook, guys, because you can't earn the rewards without the $10 spellbook. So I'll put the link down below for the spellbook, guys. It's an affiliate link. If you want to help me out, that would be great. Well, another great way to earn money on Splinterlands is to go in to the events and play in the tournaments. Yes, this is not a mistake, guys. In the next 2 weeks, there's literally almost $500,000 worth of prizes up and coming. That is right. Yes, you've seen it first, guys. That is a lot of money. They've already handed out 1.8 million. Now, most of these prizes are in SPS. It's a fluctuating price. It may go up, it may go down. But yeah, you're going to need some serious cards to play for these big numbers, and you're going to need this SPS. So keep that in mind, guys. You need to stake SPS, and you need to actually have SPS to join. So tournaments is another great way if you're a serious player to earn money on Splinterlands. Now, another way to earn money is to create your own tournament. Yeah, that's right. So there's a fee of 2,000 dark energy crystals. You can basically set up your event. You can determine how many people get to play and what type of event it is. And you can actually charge people money for playing in your tournament. And if you have a little bit of cream on top, well, you can make money in each and every tournament. Now, the other way to earn money on Splinterlands is to actually play someone else's account. You see, sometimes when you have these higher leagues, and you can obviously earn lots more rewards, players don't have the time to play. So sometimes they do a share or a split, and they allow you to play their account, and you basically split half of the rewards. So that's like a scholarship in Axie, where you've got someone that owns the account and then somebody different that plays it. So another way to earn money on Splinterlands is to flip cards on the marketplace. Peak Monsters is a great place to start. You can buy cards here for a low price, and if you think they're going to go up because they're a decent card, well, you can sell them at a higher price later. So that's another great way to earn money in Splinterlands. You can also rent those cards out. So here I have a few cards, and I can click on this card. I go over to this section here and hit on rent. Now, this particular card's pretty low, so I can hit on load and find out what the lowest value is. But if I actually rent it at 0.245 deck, I could get passive income every day. Now, obviously, the better cards are going to rent for a lot more, but you want to keep that in mind as well, guys. There is some serious return on investment, especially around the end of a season. Now, if you want to make some easy money, well, you can go ahead and write on a site like splintertalk.io, and if the quality of your content is good, well, you could get some serious upvotes, and, well, that's getting 10,000 SPT payout in 2 days. That'll work out to be about $35 for the actual writer of this post, and the delegators and the curators will actually get another $35, so that's pretty decent as well. So you're going to earn SPT. Just go to Splinter Talk, use your same account and log in, And if we go to the wallet here, guys, this is the other way you can earn money, is you actually use your SPT and you basically do what's called staking it here as well. So if you stake it here, you'll have SPT power. Then you can go back to Splinter Talk, and on a daily basis, you can go and upvote a different posts, and that'll actually give you some return as well. Now, while you're writing posts, guys, why not promote your own affiliate link? Yeah, so they have an affiliate program, and that's going to get you a 5% reward of the lifetime of purchases for these people. Now, if you go and promote Splinterlands, guys, well, it's a great time because, well, they're basically going to be selling a whole heap of packs really soon. So there's 15 million new packs coming of Chaos Legions, and basically someone's going to buy them. And if you've got a few affiliates that are big spenders, you're going to make some serious money. Now, of course, once you've earned all this money and you want to do something with it, well, you could go and actually trade, buy and sell on the marketplace. This is another great way to make a little bit of money. As you can see, guys, it's not flat, okay? It goes up, it goes down, it goes down, it goes up. And yeah, you basically buy at the bottom, sell at the top, just like any other currency. And they do a whole heap of different currencies here as well. So it's not just the main ones. Obviously, you want to look at DEC and SPS because those are the ones that are actually doing volumes at the moment. And you can see, you know, the trends are up and down all the time. You can make small gains just in a single day. The other thing that they are selling, and if you get vouchers right now during this pre-sale, you can see that people are actually selling them as well. Now, the price seems to be going down, so yeah, it's not a great place to buy and sell, but definitely selling some of your vouchers and getting a little bit of extra coin that way as well. Now, on Splinter Talk, you could also go and buy NFTs. There are specific NFTs that people are buying for Splinterlands. Some of these look pretty good, guys, and they're limited edition NFTs. Normally what happens is people buy them and then they try to flip them for a higher price. So the same thing, look, people are trying to sell it for 3 times as much already. So that's another great way to make money on Splinterlands. You can't actually put your own NFTs there, but you can definitely buy the Splinterland NFTs. Now, again, if you've got a bit of a spare DEC, you can go to the pool section and you can add liquidity to the pool. So here we go, guys. We can basically do a deck pool, deck to SPS, and I don't have any currency in the exchange at the moment, but basically you'll receive B as a reward. And when we have a look at B, we can see that B actually has value as well, guys. So basically everything is like plus plus plus. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. The other way to earn money on Splinterlands, and you can't be bothered playing, is to create a bot. And there's some free bots that you can use, or you can pay for a bot service, and that will play your account for you. Now, coming soon, guys, yes, we're going to be able to open up packs of cards, and you're going to be able to buy and sell those for profit. Because if you buy something for $4 and you end up getting a $26 card or something, you're going to make some serious money. And with the staking side of things, we're going to be able to stake on actual players. So you'll be able to go to the leaderboard and you'll be able to choose a player and then stake your SPS on them. And if they win a lot, well, you could win a heap of SPS as well. And you'll also get SPS for play ranked as well. So that is it, guys. That is 21 ways to earn money on Splinterlands. Now we're going to do some more videos coming soon, so if you want to learn more about Splinterlands, please like and subscribe. And well, until next time, it's bye for now.